Employees with good work relationships tend to be happier and even perform better at their jobs. Indeed data shows that feeling energized, having a sense of belonging, and trust in their colleagues and employer have the greatest impact on how people feel at work. You can help improve energy, belonging, and trust in your teams with team-building activities. These are games, meetings, or events designed to motivate members of a group to get to know and respect each other. Where should you start? First, pick the activities that best fit your organization. Consider hiring a consulting company to design and lead these activities, as well as figure out the details like costs and locations. If you're on a tighter budget, team-building activities can be put together by different people within your company. For example, team leaders and managers who really get what makes their teams tick might take the initiative to plan and host fun team-building events themselves. Now, figure out if it would be best to do team building in person, virtually, or a mix of both. Remember, having to do things remotely does not need to be a limitation. Choose activities that accommodate a wide range of abilities, interests, and cultural backgrounds to ensure inclusivity. Last, while employees can often enjoy team building activities, make them optional rather than mandatory. A vital aspect of team building is fostering authentic relationships. Community service, team lunches, or even karaoke are great ways to strengthen the bond between your employees. Almost all of these activities can be done virtually if your team is remote. However, you can still plan ongoing virtual or hybrid team building activities for that sense of community. Activities like book clubs and coffee chats make it easy to accommodate workers in different locations. No matter the activity, an icebreaker like 2 truths and a lie can go a long way. These can help loosen everyone up and get them familiar with each other before moving on to the main event. Different activities can focus on certain skills. A scavenger hunt or team trivia can help develop communication in a low-stakes setting. If you'd rather work on problem solving, an egg drop challenge or an escape room can help your employees find solutions to fun challenges. To flex those creative muscles, try a product design battle or an idea day where employees brainstorm ideas to improve parts of your business. Indeed's Work Wellbeing Insights report found that more than 85% of U.S. adults believe it's important to find companies that care about how you feel. Team building is a fast way to build communication, motivation, creativity, problem-solving skills, and trust. So, when you're ready to start building a successful team, go to Indeed.com/hire.